hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hi lovelies, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. We are just going to kick off this vlog just by me preparing to go to work. This is around 6 o'clock in the morning and my husband is just getting ready to drop me off. So we're just going to jump right into the gratitude portion of today's vlog. I am grateful that I have this job. I'm grateful that even though it is not what I want to do long term, I have something that at least brings me revenue. I have dreamed of going to work and working for so long, and now that it is happening, I am so grateful for that. But more about that later. My plan was to initially stop off at the stores and just show you what the prices are right now, but it was drizzling and I just had to make my way home. Don't worry, I will take you to the store one of these days and we'll get to see the prices drop. Until then, here's a throwback from 2022.
I'm home now and I've missed the package. I have no idea what it is, but I know it's from Royal Mail. I'm going to attempt to deliver it tomorrow. For some reason, they didn't leave it in my safe space, so there must be something I have to sign for or something. I don't know. I have quite a few things to do because tomorrow is going to be a very, very busy day. And I still have to cook dinner. I brought out this fish in the morning when I was leaving the house. I knew we were going to have fish and something for dinner. Maybe chips, maybe fried yam, something like that. But before that, I have to find something to eat first. Because I haven't eaten today. I don't eat in the morning. I only have like a cup of tea or coffee at work. And maybe biscuit or something. And that's what I have till I come back. This is almost 3 o'clock. It's the first meal of the day. And then I have to rush some jobs because some things need to go out today. Like Vlogmas Day 2's video needs to go out like today before 5 p.m. So I have to finish that one. I just have voiceovers to do. I was literally editing on the road. Vlogmas. I remember last year the bus nearly took me past my bus stop. In fact, it took me past my bus stop a couple of times, multiple times, and that was when I was still working in Kingsley. I also want to catch up on my Bible study because this Luke challenge, I hope you guys are still with the Luke challenge, like the Christmas challenge. That's to read the book of Luke. We should be on chapter 3 today and I haven't even started. Like I haven't done any Bible study today, so I have to do that as well tonight because I'm going to give you a recap of my study before this vlog ends. Alright you guys, so I will catch up with you in the course of the vlog.
Let's jump into our Christmas challenge as I make a quick breakfast lunch for myself. We're just considering Luke chapter 2 in today's vlog, and it just talks about the birth of Jesus from verse 1 to 7, where it talks about where Jesus was born in Bethlehem, and there was basically no space in Bethlehem for them other than the manger to give birth because there was a census that was going on at Bethlehem at the time, ordered by Augustus Caesar. And then it talks about the shepherds and the angels where Jesus was born, and they went to greet him in the manger with gold, frankincense and myrrh. And this was from verse 8 to 20. It talks about, you know, the signs that they saw in the sky, the star that guided them to the manger and all of that.
Okay, so we are ready to cook dinner now. Everyone's at home. I lost the nail, but that's besides the point. Let's cook. I'm going to make a dry rub for the fish now, and we're just going to make that and have that with chips and a small side salad. I haven't decided if I want to pan fry this fish or just put it in the air fryer. I think I'm going to put it in the air fryer at this point because
Hello mommy, what are we having for dinner?
Fish.
And what? Jollof rice.
Chips. Fish and jollof rice. Jollof rice again. No.
No, mommy, please.
No.
Mommy, please, I beg.
One,
mommy, I beg. Mommy, I beg, please, I beg.
Are you speaking pigeon?
I beg.
Say hello. Oh, you're too big now. I can't carry you.
Hello.
We're not having jollof rice, Asha.
Please.
We're not having. Okay, I can make rice and stew. Do I want to do that?
I don't want.
We're going to add sauce. Rice. Well, okay.
And then we also looked at where Simeon and Anna recognized Jesus as the Messiah during his dedication at the temple where Mary and Joseph took Jesus to. You find this account in verse 21 to verse 40. And then we also see Jesus Christ when he was a lot older, at the age of 12, when his parents took him to the temple. And after spending 3 days at the temple, it was time for Mary and Joseph to go back home. And you know the story of where they thought that Jesus was with them, but he was actually still at the temple instructing and teaching. And you know, Mary, being the mother that she is, I'm sure many African mothers can relate with that today. She went off on him saying, I mean, what do you think you're doing? You're supposed to be following us. Why are you waiting here? Why are you staying here? And Jesus had a response for her, which was very true. And he said, don't you know I should be about my father's business? Meaning that, you know, at that young age of 12, he knew his purpose already. He knew what he ought to be doing. And it was actually fun to see, because it went on to say that Jesus was obedient to his mother and his father, and he did go on to listen to them and, you know, do as it was told and followed them home. You know, it shows that he had the consciousness of who he was supposed to be and what he was supposed to do at that young age, and he was bold enough to say it, but he was also still respectful. So that's one thing that I really loved about that chapter. It has about 52 verses. It's not as long as the first chapter, but it is worth the read. So as for today's shout out, the first shout out goes to that Niger girl. She's also a content creator here on YouTube, and she's doing an amazing job. She's partaking in this year's Vlogmas, so please go on her channel. She's doing an amazing job. You guys should go and watch her content. She recently bought a home, and if you are in the Newcastle area, she drops nuggets as well for people in the area. She also does updates on like immigration and the laws and things like that, so you might want to just stick around for that as well. I'm also going to be shouting out my very own Promise in the comment section. She is one person that leaves me multiple comments on each video, and I absolutely love her. Her support on this channel is amazing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, girl. Alright, so dinner is almost done. I have been able to boil this rice against my will, but it actually worked out in the end because they had this for lunch the next day, and it saved me having to cook in the morning. So yeah, I didn't want to do this initially, but it eventually paid off. So yes, this rice cooker makes my life so much easy because I don't have to worry about rice spilling or boiling over. It just stays all in this pot, and my fish is done as well. Both the air fryer and the rice cooker are from Kosori. They recently had a Black Friday sale. I hope you guys took advantage of that. I think my discount code is still valid for both items, so you guys go ahead and shop, get some things for yourself for this Christmas. Not shoes and bags every time. Anyway, our sauce is almost done. I have combined the grated peppers and some fresh pepper I had in my fridge. I blended that up a couple of days ago, and I just had some left over. I'm also pairing tonight's dinner with some plantain, and I'm finishing off this sauce with some fresh onions. You can see that sauce has changed color, so that's what you kind of want. I learned that trick from CCMC. This was someone who actually inspired Vlogmas for me for years before I even decided to become a content creator. I'll talk more about her before Vlogmas is over, because she's a key role. She played a key role in my content creation journey. So anyway, this is dinner. It's all served up now. I apologize for the background noise. My boys are at home. I can't. I just have to. Anyway, you guys, that is it for Vlogmas Day 3. I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 4. Remember to let me know what you're grateful for in the comment section. I absolutely love and appreciate you all. Thank you so much for your support throughout Vlogmas, and I